Hi everybody. I've done a couple of Fred Eaglesmith songs before. This is another one. He's a songwriter from down around the Brantford area. A lot of people will know him. He has done lots of recordings himself, of course, but also been covered by some fairly well-known folk and country acts, bluegrass bands as well. This song is one that probably made him the most money. He was recorded by Alan Jackson. This was the title cut on an Alan Jackson album. It's called Freight Train. Alan Jackson, of course, did the full-blown country treatment with twangy Telecasters and steel guitars and all that good stuff, but this is probably a little more of a bluegrass version, and in bluegrass style I've left some places for the pickers to play some of their own stuff. I'll do that in a couple of spots. Here we go, Freight Train.
Just came down the Chippewa in a station wagon and $100, looking for a girl left a year ago. Hadn't seen her for some time, thought that I would go on by. Memory came flooding in and slammed that door. Wish I was a freight train, baby, wish I was a diesel locomotive that come whistling down your track, crashing in your door. Wish I was a freight train, baby, wish I didn't have a heart to take a shovel full of coal just to get me started. Wish I was a freight train, baby, wish I was a freight train. Every time I hear your voice, I hear those jealous lies. Feel like I've been stranded on some old railway side. Every time I hear your voice, my water just runs cold. My stoker will not stoke, my boiler will not boil. Wish I was a freight train, baby, wish I was a diesel locomotive come whistling down your track, crashing in your door. Wish I was a freight train, baby, wish I didn't have a heart to take a shovel full of coal just to get me started. Wish I was a freight train, baby, wish I was a freight train. Every time I fell behind and I could not get ahead, wish someone would pull the lever and give me a little sand. Every time I fell behind, yes, even further back, I wish some switchman had come out of fog and changed my track. Wish I was a freight train, baby, wish I was a diesel locomotive come whistling down your track, crashing in your door. Wish I was a freight train, baby, wish I didn't have a heart to take a shovel full of coal just to get me started. Wish I was a freight train, baby, wish I was a freight train. Wish I was a freight train, baby, wish I was a diesel locomotive come whistling down your track, crashing in your door. Wish I was a freight train, baby, wish I didn't have a heart to take a shovel full of coal just to get me started. Wish I was a freight train, baby, wish I was a freight train.